My name is Andrew Roszko, been here for 15 years, and I'm responsible for sales and account management in North America. I think two key things we're seeing. So firstly, the obvious one, maybe over the last 5 years or so, we've gone to the cloud. So I think the vast majority of folks are looking to get the PC off the desktop, put everything in the cloud so they can provide access to the broader organization to get visibility to what's going on. So I think that raises a whole bunch of security concerns with people's data, but that's been a key trend. And secondly, I think the moniker that we would think about it is moving from a routing tool to a tool that can route. So instead of having someone actually looking at the routes every day and manipulating them in the tool, processing power technology has just evolved in the last several years where you can really get to more automation. So let the technology do its job in the cloud with all the processing power and actually get to automated routes where you have a quick look at them at the end of the day, take the human element out of it. So I think those are the two main things that we're seeing that our customers are very excited about and are ultimately helping them save more money. There's a core value proposition around in this routing, mobile, and telematics space. I think there's a typical value proposition of go from a manual process to use technology, and typically you'll save 5% assets, 15% miles, and help with productivity on the road, make the drivers an hour more productive per day. So that's the traditional value proposition by moving to technology, and that's the evolution path that our customers have been on. I think as we look into the future, I think there's a couple of things. So compliance is becoming more and more important. I think the government there's an ELD requirement. They're going to be forced to put black boxes in their vehicles. So that's driving a lot of activity and thought about technology in the vehicles. And when people start looking at technology in the vehicles, they look at the entire suite, not just telematics, but routing and mobile as well. And as they think about that, compliance is the #1 problem, and then they really start to think about it as customer service and really differentiating with customer service. So there's, in addition to the OpEx savings, you can start to notify your customer before the delivery is made, notify your customer immediately once the delivery is made, let them look up what their ETA is online, and really start to differentiate your product offering with the way it gets delivered. I think Amazon has proven that this is highly effective, and I think the race is on to really catch up to them.